Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 21st till 27th of September, okay? And we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Taurus from 21st till 27th of September, please. Okay. So what's happening in the current situation? What's happening around you? Page of Pentacles. So this is a general environment around you. This is telling me that, when you are just starting something beautiful, and this is some kind of a new adventure, or more than adventure, when you start learning something. This might be a new course, okay, driving as well. So basically some kind of a course I'm getting when you want to learn. This might be new language as well. You want to learn a new language, you want to go to different dance class or Zumba class, whatever you want to do. And you are actually, this is a craft as well, when you are more into painting and calligraphy as well. So this is that thing when so nowadays online is actually working, so you might be even doing some kind of online course as well. So what's the issue? The Hierophant over here. So this is the problem, the conflict over here, when which you are resisting. So this is, I'm really getting, when some people, when they get a guidance, when you get some kind of guidance and you try to resist it, a guidance from a higher person, a person who is very knowledgeable, because with the Hierophant he is very knowledgeable, he knows a lot because he has read a lot of books, a lot of people he has met, and many people has actually given him the knowledge. So you might be, even you are resisting that knowledge. You want to learn but still you are resisting. So this is like you want to enter into something but you still are resisting. As if you want to get married but still you are resisting to get married, okay? So you are not able to meet the guy you want or meet the girl. So you're resisting on somewhere or the other. You are trying to resist the same thing. You want it but still you are resisting it, okay? What's the foundation? Five of Wands. This is actually telling me, when people try to resist something but still you want to enter in that thing because you have seen a lot of situations around you. This might be like for some of you, if you are going to get married but still you are trying to resist the marriage, because you might have seen a lot of bad marriages around you, people fighting all the time around you, your families, your relatives, your friends. So you have seen this. So that is the foundation, why you are resisting the situation, because the foundation was built, the whole base was really not good the way it actually needed to be. It was always fighting. You always found the negative stuff more than the positive. So that is why you are trying to resist the situation. What's in the past energies? Four of Pentacles. See that kind of resistance again. So this is like holding on towards something, like I cannot give my heart to someone just like this. I cannot give my pentacles. Okay, some a little kind of stubbornness, when you try to be stubborn, when you try to resist your feelings, when you don't, you keep on holding on towards the past situations. So that is why this thing actually is moving on with you as well, because you still are holding on that thing, whatever happened in the past, you still are holding on. What's in your mind? Nine of Cups, your goals and your aims. So you want happiness, you want some a wish, you have a wish which needs to be fulfilled, but you want your dream life to come true, but it requires efforts. With the Nine of Cups, it is just a dream. When will your dream will come into reality? When it comes to Ten of Cups. So do not just be happy with the Nine of Cups. Yes, you are really a kind of a dreamer as well. uh, you just want, this is a wish card. Nine of Cups is a wish card, wish being fulfilled, but still they are not being fulfilled. I'm seeing it's like it's just a wish which is in your head. You want to fulfill it. Let's see what's your future energies. Page of Swords. So yes, you are continuing with that kind of to just, you are really, I'm not seeing you over here with the Page of Swords, as because Page of Pentacles is in the present situation, and with the Page of Swords you really need to grow up more. Okay, so it's not a growing up, it's not like you are a child, you are not mature enough. No, it's like you have to understand something, you have to learn the process of life. Okay, this life is really, it's full of ups and downs. That is what you have to learn. If you're resisting some kind of marriage, if you're resisting some kind of communication with someone, some because of some past situations, till how much time you are going to resist it? And you have to face it someday or the other. And that is why this Page of Swords is over here, because it really wants you to learn new things, learn the idea, learn the life process, and then you will be able to actually take the decisions of your life. You will be free to take, you will not be able to hold the same things for long enough. Okay, let's see what is, how you see yourself, death or rebirth. So over here you see yourself as a person who is getting transformed into something else. Okay, because of some bad past, there was a death of your soul. Okay, a new personality is coming up. You are actually, there's a rebirth of yours, there's a transformation of yours. This is transformation really, and this is a really beautiful transformation, because with the death or rebirth, it is like that you really want to start new things, and you really want to start fresh, and you are here. This is how you see yourself. You want it and you are coming up with it. Okay, how people see you, Six of Cups. Okay, so if that past situation is coming back again, so people are around you, they actually want you back. This is this is giving me that idea that people, you have become this kind of a person, resistance to love, resistant to the marriage, this kind, because of these kind of people only. And when they come back, it's a trouble for you. So it's up to you how to be with them or not. Lessons you need to learn. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles tell us about being lonely, being left out. So I really get it, because of this kind of a reading, this is like you have been in this situation. You have been in a situation where you were the one who were left out by someone. So that is what you need to learn. You need to learn that you have to move on. You cannot just stay over there and you just cry and you will be just sad for the situation. No, you have to move on. You cannot just see how this lady's sitting and crying. No, this cannot be you. You have to stand up, you have to move on. You have to be the Page of Pentacles and Page of Swords again, because you have to learn stuff. Page of Pentacles tell us about new exciting things in life. When we just start, some pottery making, we just learn that new pottery making, we learn tarot cards, and this is that Page of Pentacles. And that is what universe also wants you to do. Universe wants you to be someone to invest your time in your work, not in those memories, in those past memories. um, the final outcome of the situation, Nine of Swords. So until and unless you will not work on yourself, you will be like this Nine of Swords. You will still cry. You will cry for those bad nights, those bad moments, those past bad things, whatever happened. But if you will actually work on yourself, because the universe wants you to work on yourself, if you will work on yourself, if you will move on, if you will just grow from within, then the things will actually, because your brain wants you to just be happy, to just be content, be emotionally, mentally happy. Your brain wants it, but it's up to you. Will you actually let your brain and let your heart to work on all the stuff which actually you really want it to grow within yourself? All right, so that is all from my side, Taurus. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.